Figure 4 below shows a cube and a cuboid with the same volume. Now just to recap back what we learned during lessons, how do you find area? You multiply two sides. How do you find volume? You multiply three sides. Here we can find the volume of the cube even though only one side is shown, but we do know that cube is made up of squares, so all the sides are equal. If this is 6, then this is 6 and that is also 6. Volume of the cube is equal to 6 times 6 times 6. The answer is 216. So volume of the cube is equal to 216. Now since this cube and the cuboid share the same volume, the volume of the cuboid must also equal to 216. Again, to find the volume of the cuboid, we just need to multiply the three sides. So let's first write down the formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to multiply three sides, length times 6 times 4. We know the volume of cuboid is 216, so let's plug it into the formula. 216 is equal to length times 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Now let's leave length alone on one side, so it is going to equal to something. We need to move times 24 to the other side. So times 24, if you move it to the other side, it's going to become 216 divided by 24. So dividing 216 by 24, length is equal to 9.